Take a peeky peeky. You getting cold in here?
It's just fine.
Hello. We're out camping. My iPod, of course. We also have cell phones with service.
And showers.
Yeah, we have showers. But we didn't get all the other necessities.
I didn't bring my makeup, did you, Jen?
Yeah, I brought some makeup.
I don't have my cover-ups.
I didn't even bring my face cleaner.
I didn't. You want to use mine?
Later. The joys of camping. Don't ask me. Kayla's like kind of dead over there, you know, laying down, relaxing. My dad's making breakfast out there. See inside of our tent, this thing is huge as hell. Like, this is how long it takes to go around. See, it's like extremely high up there. I like this song. My cell phone ringtone. Pew pew.
Hi.
Tired?
No.
Awake?
Yeah.
Sleepy?
No.
Lazy?
Perhaps.
Do you want to go for a hike later?
Yeah.
A little bit too much enthusiasm, I should say. Kayla, do you want to go for a hike later?
Sure, why not?
Do you want to go up that mountain outside? That one over there?
Sure, why not?
That should be fun, right?
Sure, why not?
Okay. This is the one we're gonna go up. See that? We're gonna climb up that. There's my daddy's tent. There are the bathrooms with the shower. Picnic table. Well, see ya later. Next time I go camping, I'm definitely doing more videos.